Use a flathead screwdriver to pry open the latch of the wooden crate, and use a hammer to knock the latch into a vertical position to facilitate the removal of the wooden slats. Since the machine is quite heavy, it is necessary to remove the top and all 4 side slats to easily take out the machine. Remove the machine and its accessory box. Peel off the protective film from the acrylic panel. Open the top cover, and you will see the printhead and the printing platform. Remove the tape securing the printhead. On the left side, you will find the factory printhead status test page. Connect the printer's power cable and turn on the printer's power switch. The printer will perform a startup self-check, and the printhead and printing platform will move slightly. Before adding ink, be sure to install the driver and printing software, and test the machine's performance before adding ink. Shake the ink bottles vigorously to ensure even mixing. Open the cover on the right side of the printer and add ink according to the corresponding colors. Move the print carriage to the center position and extract ink from the ink sacs one by one. Be sure to replace the needle to prevent color mixing. Then, open the waste ink tube valve and extract ink from the waste ink tube to fill the entire ink system. Cut the white USB from the printer's data cable. Connect it to your computer and insert the blue dongle. Use the buttons on the printer panel to move the printing platform outward. Place a transparent transfer film on the platform. In the PrintEXP software, clean the printhead and print a test page. If the printhead status is normal, proceed to print the calibration lines onto the magnetic pad. Place the magnetic pad on the printing platform, with the white side facing up, approximately 5 inches from the platform's edge and 0.5 inches from the right side. Printing the calibration lines takes about 10 minutes. As the printing completes, the platform will gradually move outward.